Hi everyone, I'm Teresa with InVideo, and I've got another trend alert for you today. This is the Instagram versus reality trend. Basically, you take 4 photos and you show them with a filter or with your edits, and then you show what the raw image looked like. And it has this funny little audio that goes with it, so this is a super fun trend overall. In this video, I'm gonna go over the exact step-by-step process you can follow to recreate this trend, and if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm gonna give you some examples of how you could take this trend and use it for your brand on Instagram. Let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, so this one is going to be really easy for you to recreate. All you need is 4 photos, and then the template from InVideo is going to do all the rest of the work for you. You do want to make sure that these are photos that haven't been edited and don't have any filters or presets on them. Once you have those 4 photos, go ahead and click the link in the description that will take you directly to the InVideo template. Click Use this template, and then once the video editor opens up, go ahead and upload the photos that you picked out. As you can see down on the timeline, you already have everything in place. You have the 4 scenes here and the audio track, and then let's take a look at the advanced timeline for one of these scenes. As you can see, there's these 2 filters here on top of the photo, and they're there for about half of the scene, and then they go away in sync with the music, so that is when the photo changes from having the filters to the raw image. So that's just a quick look at how the template is structured. Now go ahead and come back to the main timeline. Take your first photo and drag it onto the canvas. Just drop it right on top of the photo that's already there, and then go ahead and hit replace, and then repeat that process with each one of your photos. All right, so now you have all your photos in place. You also have these titles here at the top, and if you wanted to, you could go ahead and change the color of those or the font. So if you click on the title, that brings up this editing menu up at the top, and that is where you can change the color and the font. And when you're happy with your video, go ahead and hit download and share in the top right-hand corner. Once you've downloaded your video, you can open up Instagram. And once you get to Instagram, there's one more important step you want to follow, and that is to use the audio from Instagram. Because there are trending sounds on Instagram, it's a lot better if you actually use that audio rather than uploading an original audio. It's a lot better for the algorithm, and then your reels will get grouped together with the other reels that use that trending audio as well. So it's a great way for you to get found more easily. To find the audio, you're going to have to search for the creator who made this audio. So go ahead and search for this handle here, VRUTIK_VR_. That is the creator's handle, so go ahead and click on that account, and then come to the Reels tab on that account, and you're going to want to find that exact reel. So you can find it because it has the title on it, so it says "we." So click on that reel, then click on the audio, and then select Use Audio. Then that opens up the Reels editor for you, and you can go ahead and upload the video that you just made. So that is the process for creating that reel from start to finish. And now let's look at some ways that you could use this for your brand. The first one I want to talk about is using this for a photography brand, maybe to sell your presets or just to show off the way that you edit photos. This is a great trend for that, but we are going to use the template a little bit differently, so let's jump back into the editor so we can take a look at that. So in this case, you want to show off your own photo edits, maybe your own presets, not the filters from InVideo. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to upload the edited version of each photo and the raw version. Then take your raw photo first, drag it onto the canvas, go ahead and select Add as a Layer. You can go ahead and drag it out so it takes up the whole frame if you need to, and then add the edited photo on top of that. Again, select Add as a Layer. Now come into the advanced timeline, you'll see your 2 photos here. They should be called Media 1 and Media 2. Take the top one and drag it back to the point where the filters end. That's the point that's right in sync with the audio. And now what's going to happen is your edited photo is going to go away right at that point to reveal the raw photo underneath. And then the last thing you want to do is just unlock these 2 filter layers here, and then just go ahead and delete them. And then follow those same steps for the rest of the scenes, and you will end up with an amazing reel for your photography brand. Another business example might be a travel agency. A lot of people are using this trend to show off their travel photos, and it works really great if you have photos that look really good with the filter and without the filter. Then as a travel agency, you're basically advertising that reality still looks pretty cool, and you can even go ahead and change your titles to say that. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a like and let us know in the comments which trend we should cover next. And be sure to check out this video where we show you the top TikTok trends that every brand can use in 2021, and we give you some more ready-to-use templates in that video. I'm Teresa with InVideo, and I'll see you in the next one.